Welcome to SuiteTrails. Join us as we explore the stunning town of Ravello, Italy, showcasing the top 7 must-see attractions and activities in our complete guide. Let's embark on an unforgettable journey together. Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description. Number 1. Experience a memorable historical walking tour in Ravello. Explore notable landmarks and attractions of the town, starting at the cozy family-owned Coral Museum founded in 1986. The museum showcases the history and techniques of coral fishing and crafting. You will visit the Ceramiche d'Arte Carmela with a local professional guide for unique traditional, contemporary art ceramics. Dive into the panoramic views of the town and the coast while enjoying the beauty of stunning gardens at the Villa Rufolo. Our charming guide will tell you what is special and unique about living in this city as you take a leisurely walk to the Antiquarium Archaeological Museum. End your tour at the famous Annunziata Historic Building, former church building commonly known for heartwarming acoustic music concerts and its beautiful garden. The tour is a unique opportunity to experience Ravello's rich history, culture, and stunning beauty while taking a leisurely walk through the charming town. Number 2. Ravello has been named the City of Music and is home to the Villa Cimbrone and Villa Rufolo. Experience the most rewarding adventure with your family on our exclusive family walking tour. Visit the Church of St. John, the Apostle of the Toro, to view the old building ruins. Take in Ravello's stories as you walk towards the Villa Rufolo and Villa Cimbrone gardens for fantastic sea views and photos. Discover picturesque corners and meet locals as you explore with your guide. Our family-friendly local professional guide will ensure the kids have as much fun sightseeing as adults. Number 3. Embark on a scenic romantic tour of Ravello, a journey through some of the most picturesque and storied sites on the Amalfi Coast. Begin at the Duomo di Ravello, where centuries of history echo through the grand architecture and sacred art. From there, make your way to the vicinity of Villa Rufolo, known for its panoramic vistas that have inspired artists and composers throughout history. Conclude your exploration near the serene Villa Cimbrone Gardens, where the landscape offers breathtaking views over the Mediterranean. This tour invites you to indulge in the romance and beauty of Ravello, making it a memorable part of your love story. Please note, the availability and accessibility of attractions may vary based on time of day and crowd conditions, ensuring each visit is a unique experience. Number 4. Ravello is one of the most enchanting places of the Amalfi Coast and the dream destination of intellectuals, artists and musicians of the 19th century. It is here that Wagner composed the second act of the Parsifal. The medieval town is set 365 meters above the Tyrrhenian Sea. You'll visit the beautiful villas located in the town such as Villa Rufolo, where every year the International Ravello Festival takes place, and Villa Cimbrone, which is famous for its scenic belvedere named the Terrace of Infinity. It is here that in 1938 Greta Garbo and the composer Leopold Stokowski spent wonderful days of love. The Nobel Prize winner for literature André Gide has said, "Ravello is closer to the sky than it is far from the shore." In Ravello, you can enjoy the most enchanting views of the Amalfi Coast, as you are on a suspended terrace between the cobalt-blue Tyrrhenian Sea and the Lattari Mountains. You'll visit the Cathedral of St. Pantaleone and, through the splendid access tower, you'll enter into Villa Rufolo, a wonderful medieval site adorned with enchanting gardens. Number 5. You will plan with Roberto what kind of photos you would like to receive just after your booking confirmation. The meeting point will be the Duomo of Ravello, and from there Roberto will lead you to the best photographic spots, taking for you beautiful photos according to the style you choose. For every hour of shooting you will receive 50 high-resolution and professionally edited photos. Roberto will deliver you the photos ready for download by a private online gallery. Choose the best photographer in town and book now. Number 6. Begin your day with a captivating journey through the picturesque town of Ravello, where you'll immerse yourself in the rich flavors of olive oils. You will then travel to a charming local area where knowledgeable locals will share their passion for sustainable living. You will use fresh ingredients straight from the gardens of this hideaway, ensuring an authentic farm-to-table experience. Then, with the help of a very talented chef, Learn how to cook your freshly gathered ingredients in an interactive cooking class. Dive into the world of Italian gastronomy as you learn to create traditional dishes bursting with flavor. Here is where you will have a unique chance to learn how to make mozzarella cheese, gain hands-on experience in mastering this delicious art, enjoying the process and taste the fresh results. Finally, relax and enjoy the food you made, surrounded by natural beauty and breathtaking landscapes. You will experience the true taste of Italy and create lasting memories of a day filled with delicious local cuisine. Number 7. Take you private taxi hassle-free comfortable clean car door-to-door transfer with smooth travel. We know what you need and we will do it without you ask. We will pick you up where you want and drop you off where exactly needed. What makes us special is we are young and strong travel agency. We have the experience and the knowledge of what you need. We will fill your transfer with stories and stop for pictures. You will never regret choosing Smooth Travel Napoli. We will help you with the bags and offer you water and Wi-Fi. You will choose your music. At the end, we will be sure that you are happy with our service. And you kindly will leave us a review. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.